A video earlier showing some stuff regarding what's in 28 U.S. Code 3002 definitions. And what we talked about earlier was the United States means a federal corporation. But there's some other stuff. You guys got to read this whole thing. This is pretty wild. I'll share this in the link. So I'll send the link in here so you can go read this for yourself. But this is basically just some definitions. It's not very long, okay? But it is a little tedious to read if you're not used to reading law stuff or any kind of codes or anything like that. But it talks about United States attorney, private attorneys, right? Can collect debts. Court means any court created by the Congress of the United States, right? Excluding the United States tax court. That's interesting. So a debt means an amount that is owing to the United States on account of a direct loan or loan insured or guaranteed by the United States, right? So this is all for that. But here, let's go down here. A debtor means a person who is liable for a debt or against whom there is a claim for a debt, right? So we talk about earnings. Garnishee means a person other than the debtor who has or is reasonably thought to have possession, custody, or control. This is not what I want to talk about here. What I want to show you guys is this, because this is all definitions. Judgment means order or decree entered in favor of the United States in a court arising from a civil or criminal proceeding regarding a debt. Okay, check this out. Number 10, person, including a natural person, including an individual Indian, a corporation, a partnership, an unincorporated association, a trust, or an estate, or any other public or private entity, including a state, or local government, or an Indian tribe. Okay? I'm going to read this again to you. Check this out. Number 10, person, including a natural person, includes a natural person, including an individual Indian, they mean the Native Americans, right? A corporation. So by person, they can say corporation, they mean corporation. A partnership, an unincorporated association, a trust. So when they say this person, they could be talking about a trust, they could be talking about an estate, they could be talking about any other public or private entity, including a state, a local government, or even a tribe. All right, so next time you see the word person on some kind of legal document, ask yourself, what do they mean? Are they talking about the natural person, right? Or are they talking about a corporation, a partnership, unincorporated association, a trust, an estate, or some public or private entity, including a state or local government? So, yeah, that's an interesting definition of person there. All right, so pretty wild stuff there. So, yeah, go ahead. You can go check that out. Remember, I'm going to share the link for this up here, but it's 28 U.S. Code 3002 definitions. You can read that yourself. You could just type that in and you'll find it. But if anything, you could just go to the link if you're that lazy. All right, see you guys next time.